Best foods for fatty liver disease. Eating the right foods can make a significant difference in managing and even reversing this condition. Hi everyone, welcome to Your Health Concern. This channel is to educate and inform you about your health and wellness. If you're concerned about your health, subscribe to this channel. In this video, we will discuss 9 best foods for fatty liver disease. Watch till the end to learn more. First on our list is green leafy vegetables. Vegetables like arugula, spinach, cabbage, and lettuce are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce fat buildup in the liver. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie. Spinach contains glutathione that support the liver's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. You can also enjoy lettuce between meal. Lettuce can aid digestion and promote a healthy gut, which is important for overall liver health. 2. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that help protect the liver from damage. Add some berries to your breakfast, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can enjoy fresh strawberries as well. Strawberries contain ellagic acid that can help protect the liver from damage and support its overall function. 3. Whole grains. Foods like sorghum, wheat, quinoa, millet, and brown rice provide essential nutrients and fiber that support liver health and improve metabolism. Consider swapping white rice for brown rice. Brown rice is a nutrient-dense option that supports liver health with its fiber and antioxidants. You can also make a quinoa dish for a nutritious lunch. Quinoa is high in protein, contains all 9 essential amino acids, and is packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and contribute to liver function. 4. Nuts. Almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, and macadamia nuts are all excellent sources of healthy fats and antioxidants. Enjoy walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve liver function. You can enjoy cashew nuts as well. Cashew nuts provide magnesium and healthy fats that support overall liver health. Also enjoy macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are high in monounsaturated fats that support liver health and metabolic balance. 5. Seeds. Flax seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that help in promoting detoxification, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall liver function. Enjoy sesame seeds, as they are rich in lignans and antioxidants, which can help reduce liver fat and inflammation. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds as well. They are also packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and magnesium, which help promote liver health. 6. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are vital for liver health. Olive oil, avocados and avocado oil are rich in monounsaturated fats that can help reduce liver fat. Use olive oil as your primary cooking oil. Olive oil can support the liver's detoxification processes, helping it function more effectively and efficiently. Also, add avocado to your meals for a creamy, nutritious boost. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats that can help reduce inflammation, an important factor in managing fatty liver disease. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support your health and wellness journey. Thank you. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent beverage choice. It contains catechins, which are antioxidants that improve liver function and potentially reduce the severity of fatty liver disease. Additionally, green tea can help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, potentially reversing some aspects of fatty liver disease. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily to support your liver health. 8. Coffee. Studies suggest that coffee helps regulate liver enzymes, promoting better liver health and function. Coffee contains antioxidants that protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. Regular coffee consumption helps reduce the risk of developing liver fibrosis, which is the scarring of liver tissue caused by chronic liver conditions. Additionally, drinking coffee may slow the progression of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and reduce the risk of liver cirrhosis. 9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help protect the liver and reduce inflammation. Compounds in citrus fruits stimulate liver enzymes, aiding in the detoxification process by flushing out toxins. Additionally, these fruits contain naringenin, a powerful flavonoid that improves lipid metabolism and reduces fat accumulation in the liver. Citrus fruits are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight management, a crucial factor in reversing fatty liver disease. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help manage fatty liver disease and promote overall liver health. Remember, a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are key to maintaining a healthy liver. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. Check out the links in the description box to watch more videos on fatty liver disease and learn more.